What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Juan back with another video. Here's how I made $482 trading the Nasdaq this morning on this short position here. I caught a 101 continuation towards London's lows right around here. I'm gonna give you guys a real top down analysis real quick, show you what I saw, what I took, and why I took it. Without further ado, let's get right into this shit. Short position here, okay. Coming into market open, I was actually very bullish, but I had to be very objective and had have a lot of discretion. Okay, I was very bullish coming into market open, but I always pay attention to new bearish PD arrays being formed. Okay, guys, if you pay attention here, literally yesterday, we actually created an hourly imbalance right here on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so if I notice that, I notice a new bearish PD array being formed before market opening that can help me further picture the direction for the opening morning session. Okay, for New York session. Okay, later on, we actually ended up rallying through London's highs and ended up actually tapping into this 1 hour imbalance. I don't want to talk about what we did after. I want to talk about the short position that I caught right at opening, which you guys see right around here. Okay. When, as I said, before market came, I was overall bullish on the higher time frame. Obviously, we are still very bullish on the 4 and on the 1 hour, right? There's nothing much bearish about this, but guys, you need to be objective. Okay, you need to pay attention to new bearish PD arrays being formed. When market opened, right around here, I'm gonna delete this and put it again so you guys know what I was looking at. Price actually created a 5 minute bearish fair value gap right around here. Okay, today at around 9 o'clock. So we had that hourly imbalance that you guys just saw on the 1 hour time frame, which is right here. Okay, we have these data highs. We have, I'm sorry, we have London's highs right here, Asia highs, my bad, and these data highs right here, and then we have London's lows and Asia lows right here. All right. When market opened, we created this 5 minute imbalance on the 1 minute time frame, which is the time frame where I execute on. If price would have been bullish for the first drawn liquidity at market open being these data highs or these data highs, I would have expected price to completely invert this 5 minute imbalance. Okay. What did we do? Respected it and just dumped to the downside. Right here, we get one retest, reject, one retest, reject. The third one, if we really truly would have been bullish for the day and this would have been a continuation to the upside towards these highs, or just this bearish 1 hour fair value gap, we would have gotten an inversion right here. The minute we actually failed to invert this PD array, I said, okay, we are delivering from this hourly fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame. I am aligning the higher time frames in confluence with the lower time frames. Let me now get true confirmation on the lower time frames that were actually displacing lower. When did I get it? Got it right here. 9:30 came, manipulated up at this last leg, retracing back into this PD array, rejected from there. At this rejection, okay, I immediately entered with one contract, put my stop loss right above this imbalance at 23.50 points, and let the fucking trade run all the way to these data lows, London's lows entirely. Okay, this was my target. I actually took this trade not on the computer. If I would have taken this on this big PC that you guys see, I would have posted this video way sooner, way earlier. As you guys can see, it's 5:43. I've been outside road running all fucking day, taking care of business. So I took this trade on my fucking laptop. Because I took this trade on my laptop, I hate trading on my laptop. I actually prematurely exited at, I believe, 23 points for an exact 101. But this target that I actually had in mind ended up getting completely ran through. But the real position looked like this at 24 for exactly a 101 risk to reward. Okay. And as you guys can see, TP got completely ran through. Okay. Ran through and actually ended up sweeping this external low right here at Asia or London. Same fucking shit, honestly. But you guys get it. I come into market open. Price look literally like this. What's my next draw on liquidity? These lows, if we're bearish, this high and this unfulfilled hourly if we're bullish. What do we get? A reaction from this 5 minute imbalance, rejected right at opening. What am I doing after I notice we reject from here? Aligning higher time frame confluence with the lower ones. We already created a 1 hour bearish fair value gap that I can't just see this and ignore it. And ultimately, right at market opening to add into that bias, respect another 5 minute already displacing from the 1 hour that you guys see here. Okay, so it's two confluences here, higher time frame, lower time frame. Fair value gaps, liquidity. All you need. All you need. Okay, all you need. Fair value gaps, imbalances, discretion, next round liquidity. That's it. Okay, that's it, guys. That's fucking it. Tap into this 5 minute. No clean inversion. No bullish engulfing candlesticks closing above this PDRA. Wicked, manipulate up, reject, entered, short, targeting next round liquidity, London's lows. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. 101 continuation towards the next round liquidity. That fucking simple. All right, guys. I actually, with this trade, ended up funding this 53K. And let me show you the performance stats for the XFA, how we're looking right now. Fucking fun. 77% win rate. Balance looking all right. Green entirely for the month of September. I pretty much almost replicated August and September, which is nice. And yeah, chasing consistency, guys. Chase consistency. Base hits fucking add up. You can see my style of trading and know that I don't chase hero trades. I don't shoot for home runs. Okay, I chase filler days, I chase base hits, and I chase consistency. You chase money, it runs away from you. If you chase consistency, it reigns. Okay, and that's what I'm witnessing. That's the approach I'm having with a one-on-one continuation towards the next round liquidity, going for those base hits, fillers, having discretion, having objectivity, and simplifying everything. Okay, if you pay attention to all my trades, they all look pretty much the same. I'm $100,000 in funded allocation right now on Top Step, waiting at any time to get the email, which I should be receiving at any point. At any point, I'm sorry. And guys, fucking filler hits, filler hits. All right, consistency, man, consistency. Fuck happened here? I don't know. Yeah, that's how I made $482 trading the Nasdaq this morning and banked. Easy, easy, easy. All right, boys. That's how I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, peace.